Hey guys, happy spring break! Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Dayla, and this week I am on spring break, which is so nice. I have been resting, relaxing, and minding my business. Just kidding, I always mind my business. I have been resting, relaxing, baking, trying new recipes and stuff like that, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I cooked because they came out so cute and so good. Like, so yummy. But other than that, currently I am looking for a graduation dress, and why in the world is it the hardest thing to find a graduation dress? Like, I literally looked on TikTok. I'm on Pinterest like a lot. Pinterest is like that is my app. Like, if you see me on one app, it's literally Pinterest. A lot of people on TikTok, they're just like, oh my gosh, like, wear white, wear white, wear white. And I'm just like, I am not wearing white. I understand why people would want to wear white, but for me, like, I just don't want to wear white. I want to wear something with color. I want to wear something that pops a little bit. Not too much because I don't like being the center of attention. But yeah, I like pastels, I like florals, stuff like that. So that's what I'm trying to find. But it literally has been the hardest thing. It's just hard. Like, and I'm very picky when it comes to like dresses because I am a dress gal. Like, I love dresses so much. So when it comes to dresses, they have to be perfect. And yeah, I've been looking on so many websites, but I'm hoping to find something. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get any of those because they're a little expensive, but I'm willing to spend the money on them, you know? I also baked like so much. Like, I made my own cupcakes and bagels, and I also went on a cute little picnic with my family, which I'm excited to show you guys how that went because I literally, like, I'm the type of person to burn down the whole house from baking. You know, I have some lore, okay guys, because literally, like, when I first started trying to bake when I was younger, like, it was literally like burn down the house type situation. But I'm much better now, and my recipes come out like 10 times better because I actually, like, I follow recipes now. But yeah, I want to show you guys the cute little things that I have done over break, and even though it's not much, I hope that you guys will enjoy. And yeah, here's just a slice of my life. I'll talk to you guys soon, and yeah, bye.
Do you know you have 30 minutes?
Are you kidding me?
30.
Bombastic side eye.
I'm screaming. We got some action over here. Hey guys, so I'm going to try the Starbucks lavender matcha. I tried it last year and it was really good, so hopefully it's good again this year. It tastes like freaking, no, it tastes like sweet butter. I don't know, but it's really good, y'all. So this is one of my favorite boba drinks. The mango green tea with the mango jelly with 25% sweetener. So good. Right?
Right.
Wait, what did you get again?
I got a passion fruit slush with strawberry popsicle.
Yeah. Maybe we should try each other's drinks one day. Just switch.
No, yours has little, I don't know what that is. Where am I going?
This?